Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for week 32 of 2023. That's August 7th through the 13th. That's in my Estelle B6 Daily Classic. Getting very chunky, but we're gonna make it through this year. I'm sure it's gonna turn out fine. For this week, I'm using this kit from Vintage Glam Studio. It's called Chunky Pineapple. It's definitely bright and cheerful and super summery. So excited for that. I did also pull out my Happy Planner Seasons stickers because I thought I might be able to pull in a couple of the like pineapples and other stuff from here if I need a little extra things. And then I pulled out this Bic Intensity. This is in the lime green color. It's not a perfect match, but I think it's gonna go pretty well with these. So this is what I'm gonna use for all my writing. My plan is to use kind of, I think, a scripty but printed font. I don't know how to explain things. I think I'm gonna use a font that doesn't match the weekend banner and it doesn't match this all caps up here. I'm gonna do something else. We're gonna figure it out as I go, but I'm gonna fill in those days and dates and stuff like that, and then I will come back so that we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here is what I've gone with for my kind of use the brush pen but make it printed kind of font. Hopefully that turns out okay. I think it's looking pretty cute. For my full boxes, I think I'm just gonna start out with this guy. I think that'll be a good start as we go through. There we go. And then I'm going to use one of these today headers. There we go. I'm just going to leave a little gap since I don't have a lot that needs to go in here. And then I'm going to stick down these full box checklists. And then I already trimmed the second one to have only 2 on it. So then I have 7 boxes here. So then I can put my dinners into here. And then I think I'm going to take, did I forget to cut aside? Oh. I just forgot to cut the back of this one apparently. So that's fun. Let me trim the back of all of these actually while I'm at it. I'm just freehanding. I think that's going to be close enough. I'm not too concerned. All right, there we go. I'm going to take this guy and just stick it in right here just to fill in a little space. And then I feel like I should I did not really think through something that could fit in that spot. What if I just use this one that says Summer Fun? There we go. All right, that looks pretty cute. I am just gonna take the same pen and write to do here at the top of there. All right, awesome. Over here, I'm gonna start filling in some headers. None of these. Okay, too many scrippy scraps. Always fun. I'm gonna stick in a little things after 5 o'clock to divide out here. I have so many of them. Maybe I'm just gonna use some more. Nah, we'll just stick with that. We'll see if I add some extra ones. I could put something up here, but it's not necessary, so maybe I just won't. I think I'm gonna use the yellow guy. right here. There we go. Depending on how I feel, I could add something to the middle here, but I think it looks all right for now, so I might just leave it. On to Tuesday. I'm going to kind of swap out when I use today's and when I use little things here to be a divider, just because I think that's nice to kind of mix it up a little bit. I'm going to take one of these pink ones now so that I have this. There we go. And then it's one of my colleagues, it's going to be their last day. Ooh, what if I actually fill in these guys to mark my workout too? No, I'm going to leave it. And I might put in these flags to mark my workout, but I'm not sure, so I'm just going to leave it for now. It'll be fine. I'm going to take this little pineapple, can use it to mark that it's their last day. Otherwise, I've got like nothing planned for this week, so it'll be pretty quiet in my planner so far. Stick down another one of these, and then I think I'm gonna use this pineapples on blue. There we go. I don't think I have anything planned that day. And then on another today. There we go. I think I want to end up with like these two as the last two, maybe. So I'm going to stick this one in. And then I'm going to do this one with the yellow pineapples. And then we're on to the weekend. So I want to stick this, I think, down here. This pineapples, I think I'm going to stick it in the middle, right here. And then I do want to put in the weekend banner. And I'm just going to stick that right up here. And then I'm going to have all of this stuff left to do my actual planning when we get there. So right now, very simple setup, but I think it's going to look really cute once it's done. Very bright and cheerful for sure. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads. All right, here are the finished spreads that I can share. I do love how it turned out. I do have a couple of leftovers, just one header, a couple boxes, and a couple of icons. For some reason, I didn't use that much yellow. I'm not really sure what happened, but I'm gonna throw all that in my leftovers to be used at some point in the future. This week turned out, I think, pretty good. Mostly I used stuff from the kit from Vintage Glam Studio. This little guy did come from a Happy Planner sticker pack. The pen is a Bic Intensity. We had weather all over the place, but it was overall pretty good. And then moving on to the weekend, it ended up being a pretty busy set of spreads, I think. But I think that they're also pretty cute. And it was a pretty good weekend. Got some administrative things done, got some fun things done. Did not feel great last night, but otherwise doing pretty well. And so that's really all I had for this setup. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below. I would love to hear about that. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can watch in progress and finish spreads in this planner, my reading planner, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.